Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In our rapidly evolving digital age, the allure of making money online is increasingly irresistible. Imagine this. You're sipping your morning coffee, lounging in your favorite armchair, and you're at work. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, this dream is a reality for many who've harnessed the power of the internet to earn a living. The internet offers a world of opportunities, a digital goldmine where billions of dollars are exchanged every day. It's a global marketplace that never sleeps, and the best part? You can tap into it. You can be part of this buzzing hive of activity from anywhere in the world, provided you have a connection and a device to access it. It's flexibility personified, breaking the chains of the traditional 9-to-5 grind. But they extend beyond just flexibility. The internet is also a platform for generating passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep or while you're on vacation. That's the power of passive income. It's money that keeps coming in, even when you're not actively working. It's like having a tireless digital employee that works for you round the clock. Furthermore, the internet is a great leveler. It doesn't care about your age, your background, or where you're from. All it cares about is the value you provide. It's a meritocratic world where the best ideas win, regardless of who they come from. However, let's not paint an overly rosy picture. Like any business, making money online requires hard work, patience, and a willingness to learn. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to earn a living, and for some, to amass considerable wealth. So, if the allure of making money online has caught your fancy, the potential benefits are certainly worth exploring. It's a journey that requires preparation and a roadmap to navigate the digital landscape. Now let's dive into the process of how you can make money online. The first step in making money online involves choosing your business model. Let's explore a few options available to you. Blogging is a popular choice, allowing you to share your thoughts and insights while earning through ads and sponsored content. However, it may take time to build a substantial following. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with brands to promote their products for a commission. It's potentially lucrative, but requires a knack for salesmanship. E-commerce is another option, allowing you to sell products directly to consumers. This model can produce high profits, but managing inventory and shipping can be challenging. Freelancing provides a flexible way to use your skills to serve clients worldwide. However, it requires constant marketing to keep a steady stream of work. Lastly, online courses let you share your expertise while earning income. It's scalable but requires a substantial time investment upfront to create the course. Once you've chosen your business model, you're ready for the next step. With your business model in mind, it's time to set up your online platform. Now, why is this so crucial? Well, think of your online platform as your digital storefront. It's the first impression potential customers will have of your business, so it's vital to make it count. Whether you're setting up a website, a social media account, or an online store, it's important to consider a few key elements. First, you'll need a domain name that's memorable and reflects your brand. Next, secure reliable hosting to ensure your platform is always accessible. And then comes the look and feel. Your website design should be user-friendly and visually appealing, making it easy for visitors to find what they want. And don't forget about branding. A consistent brand image across your platform can significantly enhance your credibility and recognition. Once you've set up your online platform, you're ready to start generating traffic. Now, let's talk about how to generate traffic and build an audience. Generating traffic is like fueling your car. Without it, your journey to online financial success will be cut short. The first tool in your kit is search engine optimization, or SEO. It's all about making your platform more visible to the algorithms that drive search engines. When done right, SEO can bring you to the top of search results, making your platform more discoverable. Next up is content marketing. This means creating valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Good content not only attracts visitors, but also keeps them coming back for more. Remember, quality over quantity is the key here. Then we have social media marketing. With billions of users worldwide, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer a vast audience. By sharing engaging posts and interacting with your followers, you can significantly boost your platform's visibility. Lastly, there's email marketing. It might sound old school, but it's still one of the most effective ways to build a loyal audience. By sending regular updates, offers, or insights to your subscribers, you keep them connected and engaged with your platform. Each of these strategies is a piece of the puzzle, working together to attract visitors and turn them into loyal followers. It's this loyal audience that will be the backbone of your online business, supporting your long-term success. With a steady stream of traffic, you're ready to start monetizing your platform. Finally, let's talk about how to monetize your platform. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road. You've set up your platform, you've built an audience, and now it's time to turn those efforts into cash. There are several ways to monetize your platform. One of the most straightforward is by selling your own products or services. This could be anything from handmade crafts to professional consulting services. Another popular strategy is promoting affiliate products. This is when you earn a commission for selling someone else's product. It's a great way to start earning without having to create your own product. Displaying ads is another option. With services like Google AdSense, you can earn money each time someone clicks on an ad on your site. However, be mindful of your audience's experience. Too many ads can be off-putting. Selling sponsored content is another avenue. This is when a company pays you to create content that promotes their product or service. Remember, the key here is authenticity. Make sure any sponsored content aligns with your brand and is something your audience will find valuable. Choosing the right monetization strategy depends on your business model and your audience. It's crucial to choose a method that feels authentic to you and provides value to your audience. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to making money online. That's it for our guide on how to cash in online, but don't go just yet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with someone who might also benefit from this information. We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you might have, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Remember, the journey to online success is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and persistence. But with the right strategies and a little bit of hustle, you can turn your online platform into a profitable business. Thank you for watching. Remember, the internet is a vast ocean of opportunities. Dive in and start making waves.